Okay, hello mugs, I'm back. I have another box here. This one's a big box. I've already taken off the form and anything that says my address. So we're good there. I saw the same box from the last mug cord unboxing, so that's cool. Anyway, this is the first non-seasonal box. There's a lot of stuff in here. So I'm gonna empty it out and then we'll look at it. Let's see what we got here. My knife here. You guys can look at him while I take all this stuff out. There's a lot of stuff in here. Paper. It's like ASMR, but probably just really scratchy and annoying. So that's cool. Well, I think I'm almost at the bottom. I think I'm almost there. Okay. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. Okay. Okay. Let me make this look a little better before I show it. Okay, so here's the deal, right? First, here's all the books. I got Kubo Volume 6 in this order. This is part of my seasonal order. I guess they shipped it early because it was in stock. But otherwise, what I have here is volumes 1, 2, and 3 of Sleepy Princess and the Demon Castle. And then I have to open this other package from Barnes & Noble because when I ordered this stuff, I had to do it this way. Make it easy, hold on. I am struggling. Okay. 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 When I ordered this, I had to do it this way because Right Stuff didn't have volume 4 in stock. And if I waited for it to be in stock, my order would have waited to ship until it was. So I have Sleepy Princess Volume 4 here. And I didn't order the rest of these, but we do have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, no, okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So that's all of it. How am I going to fit this up there? I guess I'll figure it out.